introduced the W2O Group Newhouse Center for Social Commerce last fall. This week, we're basically taking over Newhouse for a couple days and talking to them in different classes, looking at resumes, helping them with skills building, talking to them about career paths and career opportunities.
It's really an opportunity for W2O leaders to come to Syracuse and talk about social commerce, the changing landscape of media, social media, broader digital media.
I think it's really cool to have them come in and kind of talk to us like we're their friends, and they're giving us advice on how to go on in the workplace, stand out in internships, stand out if you're trying to apply for a job.
We have been teaching classes and answering questions and really having a great time interacting with both the professors and the students here at Newhouse all day.
It feels amazing to talk to students one-on-one and feel like I'm making a real impact on both their education as well as their life when they go into the workforce.
I've been teaching on everything from PR research techniques to using social data to derive insights for marketing to sort of social media theory.
The key point that I'd like to share with the students today is to consider integration, to consider social commerce as being extremely powerful in the environment that we're in today.
As a PR student, it's very valuable for me to learn how data analytics can be used to not only understand your public, but also to engage with them.
I'm teaching about word of mouth today, and the great thing about word of mouth is, social media is fantastic, and we really need to learn about the tools that we have, but 93% of word of mouth still happens offline. So really teaching the students to marry online and offline together is hugely important as they go out into this industry.
There's people online and then there's people in public, and social commerce is kind of about blending all that together.
We're actually learning from them how all this works and what this looks like through their eyes, and we're becoming better for it.
The partnership between Newhouse and W2O Group is so important because we have the opportunity to influence the curriculum to help develop the workforce of the future.
There's a little bit of fear, I think, that there aren't a lot of jobs out there, but our advice is stay active. You can participate in a lot of online networking groups. You can start a blog. You can do a lot to further your communications career before you get that first internship or job.
I'm impressed at how savvy a lot of these students are. The professors have obviously done a wonderful job preparing them. They're thinking about things that, quite frankly, I'm blown away about, and their level of curiosity about how to succeed coming out of school is refreshing to hear.
There's so much kind of public data, or so much data and information about individuals that's publicly available now. And these students certainly understand how that's being used by brands, how they're being portrayed online.
We think this partnership with Newhouse, which is such a prestigious university in our field, and W2O Group, which is really leading the way in all things social, we think it's going to be additive and hopefully additive to their careers, but more importantly, really additive to the way the profession sees itself going forward.
I am ecstatic about the W2O Center for Social Commerce here at Newhouse. I think it's a great opportunity for our students and for our futures.